Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you set the delivery preferences in the AusPost application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. You should wait a little bit until the app loads in. Now once you are in the home page, you should look down below and select the third option, which is account. After doing so, you should select here the second option, which is delivery preferences. And you can see that there is one option here, which is leave signature parcels in a safe place. Just press on it, and you can just activate here leave eligible parcels in a safe place for future deliveries. You can just press confirm, and you can see a question here, where should we leave your parcels. You can just select here basically a place like at the front door, and basically this is mostly all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.